Hey y'all, welcome to Charlie's Smoking Barbecue. It is New Year's Day, and as promised, we're out here cooking. We're doing these these beef ribs, with our new slow and sear. Can't wait. Alright guys, let's get busy. Alright guys, so here's our beef ribs. I took that silver skin off the back. There's another layer here. That's really hard to get off. I'm just going to leave that one there. So these are our beef ribs. Not too much to the back, but I am going to season it. I'm going to go with Worcestershire sauce on these. If I can get the lid off. Just as a binder. And I'm going to go with this rub I put on my brisket. I'm not going to put too much on here. Same thing with this. Rib stars, brisket rub. I'm going to do this one right-handed. Not too much. Don't want to overpower it. Flip it over. Do the same thing on this side. Here we're putting on the Worcester sauce. And then we're going to put on our brisket rub. Rib stars brisket rub as well. I got them both done. We're gonna let them sit here for a minute. Let those things get ready while we go fire up the grill with our new slow and sear. I'll meet you outside. Set up. I love how that slow and sear just fits right in there. I got a little foil pan I put in there. I don't have the dripping grill yet, but I will get it. So we're going to get this going here. It's like 11 degrees outside, so I have no idea how long this is going to take. But we're getting busy. Instructions. It says to light the cube, which we're going to do right now. I put 10 to 12 briquettes up against that cube. So that's what we're going to do. It says to put them in there kind of tight. Alright, there's our 10 briquettes. Gonna let that get going, and I'll meet you back out here once they're ashed over. Alright, so we're pretty much ashed over. So it says to add 1 chimney full of unlit charcoal. That's what we're gonna do here. Full chimney in there. We put our smoking wood in there. We're going to put our grate on. Actually, we need to put some water in there. We'll be right back. As the direction says, you pour from the opposite side so you don't get hit with any boiling water. Alright, now we're going to get our grate on. We're going to get our top on. Let this come up to temp. We'll be back. We got these on here already. Just want to show you real quick. There they are. Get them going. Don't want to lose my temp. I'm going to put that lid back on there. Alright guys, we'll be back. Alright guys, it's been about 4 hours. Excuse me. Look at the ribs, guys. I'm going to check these for tenderness. They really have no resistance going in. Wow. These are already done. I'm going to get some sauce on these. Slow and Sear's doing a really good job. Still have a lot of charcoal left in there. Right on. Those look amazing. Alright, so I'm going to get some sauce on these and I'll be back. Alright guys, here we go. Let's get these bad boys sauced. There we go. I'll sauce them up. Let you see them before I close the lid. Alright guys, just finishing up the saucing. Alright, get this lid closed, get this thing finished. Guys, it's time to pull these off. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Look at those. Get those in the house and let them rest. Hey guys, there they are. They look so good. They smell delicious. Man, I can hardly wait to eat those. We're going to let them cool down just for a minute, and then we'll get some cut for you. I'm going to cut some of these up. Man, is it a little warm? Let's take a look. Got a nice little smoke ring right there. Those are nice. Alright, let's do a little taste test. Not much on that, but that's alright. Oh wow. Man, that was good. Alright guys. Sorry about the lick of my lips. Hey, those are really good. I love the slow and sear. It's an awesome little tool. Great job that thing did. So hey, if you like what we're doing here at Charlie's Smoking Barbecue, please subscribe. Please tell all your friends. And please hit that thumbs up button. And I want to thank you for watching Charlie's Smoking Barbecue. This is our first cook for 2018, New Year's Day. And y'all come back and see us. Now you hear.